Good morning students, I am SK Vidyarthi TGT Computer Science in MGSS Darbhanga, and in this video I am going to talk you class 7's Computer Science and third chapter Function in Excel. This is the 18th day of this chapters. In this chapters right now we are going to discuss about renaming of the worksheet. In previous class, I have talked to you about the custom filters and how actually we are doing the customizing. And in this videos, we are going to discuss about the renaming a worksheets. As we know, by default, we have provided three sheets. That is the named as sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and it is displayed at sheet tab. That is lying at this is the sheet tab. This is the Excel sheets. In sheet tab, we have provided three by default sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. And we want to change it, the name of the sheets. We want to change it, suppose as students. So how actually we can do that? We can change the sheet 1 as a mark sheet. Yes. So we have to do that. The facility is here, and we have to provide it two simple steps. We can follow it and very easily able to do change. So let's see the first step, that is the double click on the sheet name in the sheet tab. This is the sheet tab, and this is sheet tab, and in the sheet tabs we have provided by default name sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and here is the insert sheet, so that we can able to increase the numbers of sheets. Suppose as sheet 4, sheet 5, sheet 6 as we require, and then we have to do change. So whenever we have to change, suppose sheet 1, then put the cursor here, mouse pointer here, and then do double click here at the sheet name. Whenever we are doing a double click here, then it is going to highlight it. And after becoming highlighted, one of the cursor is coming here, and then you can do delete the initial one, that is the sheet 1, and then you can able to write whatever you want to write. Suppose you want to write the students as sheet at the place of sheet 1, then you write here, and after completing it, then you have to press the enter key. Then it is going to complete it and it is going to save. In this way, another one, sheet 2, sheet 3, you want to do change, then you have to repeat the same process, and you can do that very easily. You can able to do change the name of the sheets by following these two simple steps. You have learned it, so how actually you are renaming a worksheets. How this video was, you have to write the comments. Okay, thank you.